we'll guide you through how to create a Gmail template, which can save you tons of time when sending repetitive emails. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Gmail account in a web browser on your desktop. Click on the gear icon in the upper right corner to open the Quick Settings menu. Then click on See All Settings to access the full settings page. In the Settings menu, go to the Advanced tab. Here, you need to enable the Templates feature. Scroll down and click Save Changes at the bottom of the page. Once that's done, you're ready to create your first template. To do this, go to the main Gmail page and click on Compose to start a new email. Type out the email content you want to save as a template. Once you're satisfied with your message, click on the three dots in the bottom right corner of the Compose window. Hover over Templates, and then select Save Draft as Template. Choose Save as New Template to give your template a name. This helps you identify it later. Now, whenever you want to use this template, simply compose a new email. Click on the three dots, hover over Templates, and select your saved template from the list. The content will automatically populate in the email body, making it super easy to send repetitive emails without typing them out each time. It's a real time saver for frequent communications. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.